Hey guys, this is Mads from Leaf Outdoor Adventures. Nice to see you again. Today we'll be going on a small trip, me and my family. We bought a tippy tent, a used one, that we are planning to put up in our small forest on our homestead. Me, my wife and my kids will be going there to put up the tent. We'll be preparing food over the fire. I just collected the tent yesterday, but let me show you how it looks. And then I'll take you down to the forest and we will try setting it up. I just put it down here in my garage. Let's just turn off the light. As you can see, right now we have chickens. Only 4 small ones. They are soon going to the other chickens outside, but they are too small to be a part of the other ones. So, but soon they'll be ready. So this is the tent. This is the flooring we bought. We have some chairs, we have a table. We have 4 beds that we also bought. They came in when we bought this set. So yeah, some call it glamping. It's a glamping tent, at least the one who sold us called it that. But yeah, and we got a lot of tent pegs also included. So stay tuned, we'll put up the tent later. Campsite. Hả? There goes my ride. So we got water, 20 liters. We got the 4 beds, the kids and me and my wife. We got some supplies, carbohydrates, that's very important. More carbohydrate and coffee. So this is my newest acquisition. Let's take it up. As you know, I like to go to thrift stores and find stuff, used stuff that I can use for outdoor. So I found this a while ago, and I got my cooking supplies in it. So I got 2 Trangia stoves here. I have a hammock. I have both my push boxes, small and a big one. And then I just have some alcohol, a small pan, and my burners. So this is my small cooking stand, and what I thought about doing was just using this as a cooking surface. Then I need to just mount a a piece of wood here, so I can put my burners up there, and yeah, it will elevate from the ground, so it's better for me when I use it. So guys, the tent is up. I think it looks awesome. So this is gonna be our little private camping spot for the summer. Let's check it. Let's go inside and check it out. Look at the height, and even the entrance, almost I can stand upright. So we're gonna have 4 beds, 4 chairs and a table in here. It's gonna be cozy. Can't wait to show you.
Hvor det hører til sammen med, så båden
Og bilen, den skal helt.
This camp is gonna be a bit more stationary. We'll be here most of the summer, and that's why we make sure that the grass is low and we have the space we need for where we need to cook and stuff like that. Ja, sådan en lille das. Ja, det kunne være fint. Jo, det har nok. Ja, den skal drejes.
Der var jeg lige hurtigt. Jeg kom lige til at have det og det hele er med. Eller først i starten. Jamen, jeg kigger ud på mor, og så lige om det er for mennesker.
Og så husk kun væk fra dig selv, eller? Aftale.
Ja, det ved jeg godt.
Og hvis
Nu kommer jeg gang i det bål.
Den er altså god.
Nej. Prøv at vise den til kamera.
Jo.
Yikes.
Skal vi tage den hurtigt om?
Det skal ikke virke her. Op, satan.